Mail call. I've been watching Fishing with Modog. Oh yeah. I won a sticker pack. Let's go check it out. Oh yeah. First off, we got Fishing with Modog on YouTube. Then we got Some Old Man Outdoors. Then we got Campers in Common. Truman Outdoor Things. Oh yeah. Then we have Ugly Dog Lures, the lure that bites back. Oh yeah. Let's go. And here we go. We got the Modog. We got Truman Outdoors Things. Another Truman Outdoor Things. We got Some Old Man Outdoors. We got Campers in Common. Very sweet. If you don't have Modog, Fishing with the Modog on YouTube, head on over there and hook him up. Let's go.